Hello all. Let me give you a detailed walkthrough of Organization section in Togile CRM. To start with, click on Organization. Once that's done, the company profile page will open. In this page, you will find all info about your company. Next, in order to make changes to this existing page, click on Edit tab. Fill out all the parameters provided. Once you're done, click on Save. Next, click on Currencies. Following that, next, click on Basic Currency. This is where you'll set the default currency your company will use across all transactions, reports, and deal values in the CRM. Next, click on Currency Decimal Settings to define how precise your currency values should be, whether you want to round off to whole numbers or show values up to 2 or more decimal places. This helps maintain consistency in how amounts appear across your CRM. Next, to add a new currency, click on Add Currency. Click on Select your currency from the list provided. You can either choose your preferred currency from the drop or type it manually. Following that, click here to see how your currency will look. Next, select the conversion mode. Once selected, manually enter conversion value. To conclude, click on Save, and that's it. You now have your company's foundation set up in Togile.